This overhead crane's lifting rope snaps under a heavy weight. Metal parts from the hoist drop instantly and hit the worker. Fortunately, his safety helmet absorbs the blow, allowing him to walk away from a serious strike. A person tries to step into an elevator, but the machine malfunctions before he is fully inside. The elevator suddenly starts going up while the doors were still open. Never put your hands near the moving loop of a strapping machine. This worker gets his hand caught by the tight plastic strap. The machine pulls hard, trapping his hand and then his head. His colleague jumps in to rescue him, and he suffered no injuries. At a fuel transfer area, a tanker is unloading fuel into an underground tank. Everything appears normal during the process. Fuel vapors begin to accumulate near the ground. At the same time, static electricity, or a small spark in the system, creates a sudden flash fire within seconds. Flames instantly surround the filling point. The worker reacts quickly and steps back, staying calm. He immediately grabs a nearby fire extinguisher and attempts to intervene. However, in such situations, extinguishing the flames alone is not enough. Stopping the fuel flow is also critical because the main source of the fire is the ongoing fuel transfer. The handbrake on this parked cement truck fails, with nothing holding it back. Gravity pulls the heavy machine down the steep street. It rolls fast and crashes straight into a nearby house. Always double-check your clamps before starting a leaf. The worker puts a piece in the machine but doesn't secure it properly. When the machine hits high speed, the loose piece flies straight into the air. A group of workers is trying to control a high-pressure fire hose together. Everything seems normal at first, but as the water pressure increases, a strong recoil force builds up at the nozzle. Even though the person at the front tries to hold it, they cannot balance the force. Suddenly, the hose gets out of control. The high-pressure water and the hose nozzle swing violently, striking the workers, causing brief panic. These types of hoses can generate significant physical force under high pressure. That's why fire hoses must always be handled by trained teams. On a production line, 2 workers are performing. In one of China's busiest ports, an ordinary day suddenly turns into chaos at Ningbohan port. Everything seems normal on a container ship docked at the harbor, when suddenly a powerful explosion occurs. The blast sends containers flying. Flames rise rapidly and thick smoke engulfs the area. The shock wave is so strong that it can be felt from kilometers away. The ship is known to be carrying hazardous materials, but the exact cause of the explosion is still unclear. This operator was already stuck, and moving the excavator's arm made it much worse. Shifting the heavy bucket to the left completely ruined the machine's balance. The weight distribution changed instantly, and the excavator crashed onto its side. This video serves as a critical reminder of the importance of workplace safety in industrial environments. The incident occurred when a worker leaned in to inspect or adjust equipment while it was still in operation. Due to a momentary lapse in situational awareness and unsecured personal grooming, his hair became caught in the machine's rotating shaft. Fortunately, his colleagues reacted instantly, shutting off the power and assisting him before the situation could escalate. Key lessons include the mandatory use of proper PPE, such as securing long hair under safety caps and avoiding loose clothing. Workers must maintain safe clearance from moving parts until a zero-energy state is reached. Furthermore, the team's quick response highlights the necessity of emergency stop training. Prioritizing a safety-first mindset is the most effective way to prevent such unexpected accidents. A small fire that starts in a kitchen quickly gets out of control. Within seconds, the worker first turns off the stove, which is a correct step. However, they then try to smother the flames. Using something like cardboard, this method only wastes time. Instead of cutting off the fire, when the flames continue, they turn to water. But this is where the biggest risk begins in grease fires. The safest way to extinguish such fires is to cut off oxygen by covering it with a lid or using an appropriate fire extinguisher. Instead, they pour water directly into the pan. At that moment, the water instantly turns into steam. The footage documenting this aerial lift accident serves as a critical safety warning for high-altitude maintenance operations. The incident occurred when a cherry picker's center of gravity shifted, or the ground stability failed during boom maneuvering, causing the entire unit to tip over and forcefully eject the operator from the platform. To prevent such devastating outcomes, several mandatory protocols must be strictly enforced. Operators must always verify surface integrity, ensuring the lift is on firm, level ground and never on slopes exceeding rated limits. Outriggers must be fully deployed with all pads maintaining solid contact. Crucially, mandatory fall protection, including a full-body harness and lanyard attached to a designated anchor point, is the only way to prevent ejection during a catapult effect. Furthermore, adhering to load capacities and ensuring only certified qualified persons operate the machinery is essential for workplace safety.